All right, what's going on? It's your boy Don Brown. Just wanted to do a quick video for all my Reason users out there. Just an example of how you can get that 808 slide. Real simple in NN-19. So we're gonna start with the NN-19. Got the regular Farvey, whatever organ sound that's ready. We're gonna replace that. We're just gonna remove that reset device right here. We have nothing. And we're gonna go to 808 sample. I'm sure you have one, everybody. Let's see. Okay, this is perfect. This is a sample that I had previously was under the impression that I had looped, and looks like it's not looped good, so I'm just gonna go back in here and see what's going on. It is sampled, crossfade, perfect. And only two things you need to do to get that 808 slide: put the polyphony down to 1 and play with your portamento, and bam. And if you put it in legato mode, there you go, 808 slide. The more you, more portamento you have, and you really don't want that for your whole song, but you know, sometimes it's cool to switch it up. If you put this into a combinator, there's some cool tricks you can do. I'll show you that on another video.